Welcome to another episode here at Impact Play. Today we are just talking about some of the national teams that are left at the African Cup of Nations, because we have 8 national teams that are left there at the African Cup of Nations, and 6 of those are the teams that I predicted that they're going to stand a chance to win it all, and they are still here on the last 8. And I will just remind you, but if you don't want me to remind you now, I can just tell you, you can go and watch the video. That's where I was talking about those teams that I think they have a good chance of winning it all. So just to remind you which teams I'm talking about Morocco, Egypt, Nigeria, Algeria, and the 6th one will be Senegal. So those were the 6 teams that I think they have a chance of winning it all. And then Mali will play Senegal. And I think that game probably on paper is the easiest game for Senegal, the way they are playing, and also looking at Mali coming in the knockout stages without winning any game and going all the way through their game in the official time until they win everything in the penalties. So I think that's not a game that Mali can do anything in terms of winning the game during the 90 minutes or 120 minutes of the match. But I think if they can push it all the way to the penalties, maybe anything can happen. But since I've been watching the tournament, I've realized actually Senegal are a dangerous team as well. So I think they will go through that one. And then there's another one, which is Morocco, the host, and Cameroon. Cameroon that beat South Africa, and Morocco beats Tanzania 1-0. I wasn't convinced about Morocco's performance in that game. So I think they're going to have a tough game against Cameroon. So going forward, I think they have a tough game. I think anything can happen in that game. Thinking about the fact that if you're looking at that game, Morocco can actually win the game based on the fact that most of the time when they were playing teams that are open and able to actually challenge them and attack at them, they open up space at the back, and then that give Brahim Diaz a chance to actually go and win the game for them. And also I think Hakimi is back, so they've been actually throwing all the balls in the box, and Al Khabib will be the guy that will score those goals. So I think they have a chance actually of winning the game against Cameroon. But Cameroon are not a joke. They're not a team that actually will just say, okay, because you guys are the hosts, you can go and win it all. Now I think I'll give you Egypt. I don't think Egypt is beating Ivory Coast. I think Egypt is going home. I think they are not moving. So in the teams that I predicted that they can stand a chance of winning it all, after watching the games, I think Egypt will be the first team that will be like, you know what, I made a mistake. I judged them based on the performance that they were showing in the later stages of the World Cup qualifiers, because they qualified for the AFCON long time ago. So in the World Cup qualifiers, they were showing some of the signs that I was like, okay, this is a good team. But since I've watched the tournament, I don't think I'm convinced with what I've saw from Egypt. So I think Ivory Coast will go all the way to win this match. And then there's an Algeria-Nigeria match. I think Algeria is a dangerous team going forward, depending on the stages of the game, because sometimes they just wait for you to get tired a little bit, and then they can just start moving their game forward, especially when they make their right substitution, and they don't even shy of taking out their superstars just to bring in the guys that will bring in the energy. So I think Nigeria will have like a tough match, but I think Algeria will go through and go all the way to the final, to the semi-final. So I think that will happen in that match. And then there's another match where I felt like the 4 teams that are going into the last 4 will be Senegal, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, and Nigeria. So I think Cameroon will be the only team that I didn't put that team in, actually the teams that I think they can go win it all. Based on the drama that they had, having 2 squads, 2 coaches, the coach that is favored by the parliament and the other coach is favored by the FA president Samuel Eto'o, and he ended up winning that. And then now they're doing well, and I think it was a boost for them actually to go to the last 16 and able to beat South Africa to move on into the last 8. So I think they can stand a chance if they can focus to move on, but they can all crash if they don't take the game seriously. So I think those 4 teams will go all the way to win that. And then it will be today's match that you are going to look forward to, which we're starting with Senegal at 6 o'clock. I think Senegal will win that match, and then later on it's the host against Cameroon. I think Cameroon will win that match, but it's going to be a tough match for both of the teams. So I think going forward, my top 4 is Cameroon, Senegal, Nigeria, and Ivory Coast. And I think the final will be Nigeria, will be Senegal and Ivory Coast, and then I think Ivory Coast will defend their titles based on how they play. So I think when they match up against Senegal, this is the team that will just go all the way and win it all. So far, I have all the 6 teams in the last 8 that I predicted that they go into straight to have a chance of winning it all. So we're going to see going forward which teams that I predicted that are still going all the way to the last 4 and then all the way to the last 2 and become the winner that takes us all in the African Cup of Nations. So if you enjoy this one, make sure that you go down to the comment and give me your say and say what you think about the teams that I predicted, because now it seems like I have all my 6 teams here, but you can tell me which teams do you think will make the last 4 and which teams do you think will go all the way and win it all? And then you can click the bell to make sure you don't miss any content that I post on the channel. And then you can like, share with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe, man. Subscribe, and then you want to push until all the way to 5,000 and 2,000 subscribers. Help us go to the 5,000K subscribers, and then I'll see you on the next one.